Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact cells where validation will apply. This prevents surprises later. Once selected, open Data Validation and choose your validation type. Make sure to decide the rationale. Do you need whole numbers, a decimal range, a drop-down list, or a date limit? Also prepare any source list on the same sheet or a named range. Doing this first saves time and avoids refilling validated cells after mistakes. Once done selecting the validation type, you configure the details. For lists, reference a named range rather than typing values inline, so updates are simple. For numeric or date limits, set minimum and maximum values or choose a custom formula that returns true or false for advanced checks. Make sure to toggle Ignore Blank if blanks are acceptable, and you supply these changes to all other cells to keep consistency. This reduces manual fixes and keeps data clean. You should add an input message to guide users and an error alert to block or warn on bad entries. Then test thoroughly. Try valid values, then deliberately bad ones, and paste operations to confirm rules hold. If something goes wrong, check common culprits, named ranges moved or deleted, merged cells in the target range, or validation using relative references that shifted. Fix the source or reapply validation, and make sure to retest until behavior matches your expectations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.